Hello, it is Alicia with Ali.plans.cuteness, and I have a Peeps Swap that I can't even, I can't show you. This bag is just too huge. There's no way for me to put this under my camera. So I'm going to start taking stuff out to show you, but this is the Peeps Swap. So it was hosted by Mikabu32 and, oh shit, a partner, is it Rocky? Was it Mika and Rocky? I have to look. We mailed it to Mika, so that's her. Oh my gosh, there's just so much stuff in here, you guys. I don't even know what to do. Oh man. Okay, so, and there was I did 2 Peep swaps. So I did 2 Peeps, and then I did Mika's coffee and donuts birthday swap, and so I have 3 swaps all coming at once. And so I'm going to go through them. This is the 3rd one, although I don't know what order they'll get posted or you'll watch this, but let me just try to take this out a little at a time, because there's so much. So we've got lots of Peeps. I have never tried the specialty flavored ones, so I am excited. So I've never had the Rice Krispie Treats ones, so that is going to be fun to try and taste. And then we've got, these are so cute, these little cosmetic sponges. It's Peeps and Hello Kitty. How adorable. And maybe this is, can you tell me who it's from? Yes. Okay. So it says, "Hi swap partner, I hope you like the swap. I enjoyed making the items. Leslie at Crafty Coco 73. So thank you, Leslie, Crafty Coco. Please go check her out. Give her some love. I cannot remember if I put cards in my swap. I don't even know. I'm learning as I go. I've done a few swaps now, but I feel like, you know, I'm still figuring it out. So let's just see. So yeah, I don't know if I actually put my name on my stuff, which is ridiculous. Okay. Gosh, girl, so much stuff in here. So we have these adorable Peep socks. So cute. Oh my gosh. I love them. And they're different from the socks I got in the other swap. So I feel so lucky. These are just such great swaps. We've got some little chick sequins. This is too fun. It's so squishy. My kids are going to steal this. I already know it. I'm going to have to hide it. I just want to squish this all day. And then there's a pen. There's a Peeps pen with a poof ball. Oh my gosh, my kids are, ugh, I have to hide this for sure. And then she added a little charm. Very cute. Okay, there's that. And then there's this. Little ring pops. And, oh, I love these. What fun. These little bunny clips. Oh, these are adorable. These are going to be so fun to use on crafts or just in my little journal. I love it. Oh, and they're a little, it's rainbow. I love rainbow colored things. So perfect. Okay, so there's that. Maybe I'll give these to my kids. I have 2 boys, so maybe they can have those, and then hopefully they'll leave my other stuff alone. have to distract them. Okay, and then, oh, I don't even know where to begin. Okay, oh, ah! I think I saw this. I mean, I watched Mika's I don't know if I watched them all. I tried to, but I might be behind on a few because there were so many Peep swaps. But I looked at the unboxings, and I think I saw this one, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that cup. And now I have it. Wow, this is so great. Okay, and then look at this Peep inside. It's so squishy and soft. So cute. Okay. Crafty Coco, you have totally spoiled me. Leslie, this is just too much. And you guys, we're still going. There's still half the stuff in the box. All right. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh man. All right. So this... Shut up. This is too stinking cute. Okay, this so much stuff. Oh man, okay. And then there's all kinds of like the crinkle paper in the bottom, but I don't even think I can deal with that. All right, so this, oh, it's like you can make, what? It's like a make a shaker. Look at this. Shut up. That's too cool. What? So it's like the pieces that you can put together with like, this is like some plastic. It's like actual plastic. I wonder, oh man, I wonder if she like has something to cut this out, or she got it to scrapaholics.net. So I've never heard of that place, but look at this. So you can like make a shaker. Shut up. Oh, that's gonna be super fun. Super fun. Oh, I'm excited to play with that. And then this little bag, this is adorable. This got a little ripped, which is fine. We can fix that. It's just, you know, it's because there's so much in this bag. Oh man, but look at this bag. So she has like the little zipper. It says, "Oh, for Peeps' sake" on the front. This is attached. But just like, look at this. It's like such, it's like a little tote bag. And it's purple, which if you watched my last one, again, I don't know what order these would be in, but purple's my favorite color. So I don't know. These swaps are just amazing. Look at this little tumbler. Oh man, I definitely carry these around. I don't necessarily need them to be Stanleys, but I am one of those crazy people carrying around giant water bottles all the time. And then look at this charm. Very cute. And it's like attached. Like she attached it to this little tote bag because, yeah, that's just so much. Okay, so let's dig into this bag. So this is all of her like crafty stuff. So my honey bunny. Look at that bag topper. And then this is her Memdex. And there's her information. So Leslie Jones, Crafty Coco 2 on Instagram, and Crafty Coco on TikTok, and Crafty Coco 73 on YouTube. And then her birthday is October 18th. Very cute. She's got this popped up on foam. Love that. These bag toppers are great. I'm definitely saving these. And then look at these rosettes. And I kind of like that they're plain because then I can decorate them and use them. There's a lot of summer swaps coming up, and these would be perfect for that. There's another paper clip. And these rosettes. Oh, I have tried to make these like crepe paper rosettes, and it did not go well. These are beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look how nicely these are done. Girl, I need to see if you have a tutorial or something, because when I tried to do this, they just, I don't know. It did not work. So these are just so cute. And again, I can like use them for whatever, so they're not just like Easter. And then, oh gosh. Okay, these are stuck together. I'll be very careful. Look at this. So she made some. These little, oh, I have to get this out so we can look at it. I don't want to ruin the bag topper. Oh man. Sorry for all the crinkles. Okay. Bag topper is mostly intact. Keep calm and carried on. So cute. And then look at these. So this is like what she stuck together. This is, although I don't know, my bag toppers always fall off. So I don't know what tape you use, but it works because it kept it on there. So this is so cool. So this is like what you can make. Look at that peep. Oh. So much stuff in there. And I have like shaker mixes that have like bigger balls and stuff like that, and I can never figure out how to use them because none of my stuff is ever thick enough. But this is definitely thick enough for that. This is like so much shaker. Oh, as my children are now into saying, this is so satisfying. It's something on, I don't know, YouTube or something. But that is so cool. And then this little bunny gnome. I'm not even like that into gnomes, but this is just adorable. Like, this is so cute. I am into this gnome. Look at him. Or her, I suppose. Look at that. And again, like, look at the, so much shaker stuff in there. It's so cute. Look at how pretty this is. I love it. And then another one of those little egg dangles. Oh gosh, these are great. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm gonna check out that website. I wonder if, again, if she makes them or if somebody else does. Girl, got all the things. Okay, guys, we still have all this stuff. This is just a never-ending box. Oh man. Okay, this is hanging with my peeps. Again, oh, I want to try to be careful. This looks like a set of cards. What? No way. Look at this. It's a whole set of cards that I can use. Happy Easter. I don't know where you got this Peeps paper, but it is super cute. Happy Spring. Happy Spring. And Happy Easter. Oh man, these are so cool. And now I have cards so that next year I will actually hopefully remember to, you know, like put my information and a note in the swaps. I think I put like one note in for like the whole big swap, and I didn't think about the fact that like, well, duh, you're gonna send this to individual people. It's fine. We're figuring out life as we go. It's okay. Every time I do a swap, I learn a little bit more. The Peeps and the coffee ones were like, I don't know, my second or third swap. So I'm figuring it out. Okay. Oh, look at these. These stickers are really pretty. Now, I found these that I will definitely use more because I love glitter and rainbow, but I never saw these ones. These are super cute. And they're like, I don't know, they're like a, almost like a kind of crinkly paper. I don't know how to explain it. It's like textured paper. Like the like basil or something, right? Where it's got like the texture in it. Very cool. So there's those. And then, ooh, sequin mix. Yay. Lots of fun here. Oh man. Oh man. This, you spoiled me. I love Doodlebug. Doodlebug is so cute. This is the set that I used to make my, to make all my stuff. I used this Doodlebug kit. And then look at little gifts on the back. These guys, little rings. I like how they're different colors. I can always use those. And some ribbon and some Velcro. And then look at these dots. Oh man, you are hooking me up, girl, with all this crafty stuff. Okay, and there's still more because, wow. Giant Peeps shape dies. Wow, very cool. Yay! A pokey tool. Okay, so I keep seeing people make these, and I really wanted one. I use my pokey tool all the time. I have like one pokey tool, and of course I always misplace it. And I've been like, oh, I really hope in one of my swaps somebody sends me a decorated pokey tool. And now I have one. This is so fun. Oh gosh, I love it. This is too cute. I am going to be using this all the time. Okay, and you guys, still so much more. I have so much stuff. We've got some little chocolate candies. Oh yeah, okay, so, oh my gosh, what? Look at these pockets. This is brilliant. Okay, so she took these little felt bunnies and like stitched them. She made this? What? Okay, so like cut out the bunny, stitched the back, and then put this sequin mix. This is cool. This is like the one that she had in her thing. I can use this in my and the little bunny one that she gave me. Wonderful. And then here's another one. Oh man. Girl, you did too much. You hooked me up. I hope my partners like what I gave them. I tried to like hook them up, but this, I feel like this is insane. So, 2 more ring pops. And this bunny pen. Oh, okay. These are the kinds of things that my youngest, he loves cute, fluffy things. He's going to try to take this from me, and I cannot let him. It's got little shaker ears. So fun. And then she made like this little folio. That's cute. I love this. Oh, how cute. There's like a little notepad with the bunny, and there's a little pocket. Oh, that's adorable. I love it. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much, Crafty Coco, Leslie. This is so much. I don't even know. I'm blown away. I feel so lucky. Both of my Peeps swaps, like all the swaps, I feel like they were just like made for me. Everybody's just so talented. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff from this one, and then my other Peep swap and the coffee swap. Well, just thank you so much. Thank you, Mika and Rocky, for hosting this. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed looking at what I got, and I will see you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.